are not just participants who are vulnerable.
Meru County has the lowest insurance penetration with only 1.3% of residents covered compared to the national average of over 10%. The Insurance Regulatory Authority IRA has expressed concerns over the low uptake and called on residents to embrace insurance as a key tool for financial protection.
To that, the people who have been coming here, we are eternally grateful. So asanteni sana for giving us space.
The importance of insurance is mainly to mitigate risks faced by individuals and businesses to enable them to transact business without worry of the consequences of risk. If we have fear of risk, then we will not be free to do business freely. And that's where insurance comes in to assist us. As we may be aware, Kenya's economy is largely anchored on agriculture, with the largest population depending directly or indirectly on agricultural activities for their livelihoods, making it a cornerstone of Kenya's socio-economic development.
This growing presence is a vote of confidence in our county's economical potential and presents an opportunity for our people to access insurance products, services with greater convenience.